Alright, so the last step is just simply to hand tighten these. I'm just going to let it ride and be just a little bit looser. Give that a chance to flex a little bit. There you have it. We have 2 Gorilla brackets mounted on a Hobie Outback before breakfast. It is just a couple minutes before 9 o'clock. And that went extremely well. Super happy. And these are going to fit back in their particular location. Super, and the crossbar goes right there. So I've maintained the rear brackets and very close to the seat. I am super pumped about this. This is just great. This is going to make for any customers that have a Hobie Outback a super easy installation. This was a piece of cake. It's probably one of the easiest installations I've ever done. So, all right, guys, catch you next time. If you have any questions, please either put a comment down below. If you'd like to just DM me directly, go on over to Wilder Side Gear Facebook page. You can connect to me there one-on-one. We can talk about it some more. Thanks.